Hello everyone, here's my Janka with Jana 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Congratulations for having finished half of the challenge. It's already day 11 and you are here with us. So remember, we're gonna go back to the same muscles, but a little bit more advanced. Today is triceps. So get ready with it. We're gonna need weights, and I would recommend you to go and grab your dumbbells, plates, or maybe cans in your pantry, whatever it works to give you some resistance. Then have your mat ready because we're gonna be doing push-ups. Yes, one of the most effective ways of working those arms. However, it takes a little bit of time to get there, but we're going to do it together, you and I together. So let's get ready for that cardio. Go ahead and grab your weights and come back. All right, here we go. You remember what I always say about the cardio portion, right? You do your thing. You move. You let it all out. Be happy. Let's go. Awesome. Have fun. That's what dance is all about. Good job. Awesome. Let's go. Reach up. Since we're using the triceps, we're going to work them really nicely, okay? Good job. Awesome. Bigger circle. Nice. I'm gonna let it out. I'm gonna let all the worries go out. Let's go, double. Bring it back. Double. Double. Nice job. Awesome. Bring it in. Hands up, hands up. Extend. Okay. And then come down. Woo. I'll stretch those arms so you can feel it in your triceps as you pull those arms back. Can you feel it? Yes, me too. Good job. Ready? Coming forward. And 4, 4, 4. Let's go. Double, double. Nice job. One more time. Let it out. Awesome job. Good. Catch your breath. Grab your energy. Let's get ready. We're gonna go back to double up. 4 back. Yes. Good job. Nice. One more time. Cross it. Hands up. Elbows high. Yes. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big circles. Single now. Woo. Love it. Woo. Slow or big. It's not really slow. It's just bigger. Awesome. Bending those knees too. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. All right, my friends, let's get ready for those weights. So we have 30 seconds. I'm gonna grab my mat. So 2 weights, light weights, and then the mat. I'm gonna push play to the music and we're gonna get ready. Let's go. Gonna grab my here. All over the world. Beautiful girls. Nice. All right. Look at me. We're gonna put 1 foot forward, lean forward 45 degrees. We're gonna lift, extend, bend, and drop, okay? So the higher the elbow, the better for you, okay? Even if you do this with your body weight, it's going to be effective. Okay? Now give me 3. 3, 2, 1. Bring it in, bring it down again. 1, 2, 3. Bring it down and down. We're gonna do 2 more of those, okay? I know you're already feeling it. Yes? That's 1. Good job. Okay? Nice. All right, bring them up. We're gonna bend. You can hold them together. Slow. Slow up. Now give me pulses for 3. 3, 2, 1. Give me 1 more. 3, 2, 1. 2 and 2. Down. You can interlace your fingers. 1 more, 2 and 2. Now give me 3 pulses. 3, 2, 1. 1 more. Awesome job. Okay. We're gonna get ready for those push-ups. I know you might have not felt it fully, but remember, this is just one short song. Spread your fingers out. Let me show you quickly. You need to have hands shoulder width apart, okay? Like this. So option number 1, bend the elbow. You keep your hips over your knees. Can you see it? So you're bending the elbow. That's level number 1, okay? Level number 2, you're gonna just go forward with the chest. Keep it coming, single time. I am still having my hips over my knees. Yeah? If that's not yet enough for you, the option is to elongate your body, okay? Down and up. Yes, very different, right? But these are the best for your arms. The whole arm is working actually. The triceps are working harder. Okay, here we go. Take a breather. Just a little bit. Stretch it. Good job. Now that you did push-ups and did your weights, maybe you can do a second wave of it. Push-ups or weights. Yes? Let's go. Down and up. You can put them together and up. Because the song is super short, I'm doing both plates. But if you do the song twice, you'll be able to do 1 arm at a time, okay? Let's go. 2 and 2. 1 more, 2 and 2. Okay? Now give me triple pulse. 3, 2, 1. 1 more. Nice job. All right, give me slow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Brace your core. I know these are hard. I know you're suffering a little bit, but that's what it takes, okay? This is it. This is it. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Ooh, wow. I hope you felt it as I did. I'm gonna put this away. Let's get ready for the stretching portion of the class. And in this case, because we're doing tricep, I'm going to show you a little bit of extra for the tricep, okay? So you're going to spread your fingers out. Make sure your hands are well supported. We have option 1. This is called table pose. And the easy version is here, okay? That's creating what we call isometric contraction on your muscle, meaning it's contracted just in there without movement. We can drop it down. Yeah, how that feels. We're gonna do it again. Inhale, exhale. Try to lift your hips high. This is also stretching front of your shoulders. You could go to the next level if you want. You're gonna start feeling your hands going numb. That's okay. That's actually something positive, okay? And I'll explain why later. One foot and the other one stretches out, and we go. Right there. Squeeze your shoulder blades, squeeze your glutes for a few seconds. Deep inhale, deep exhale. You can change it to the other leg. Again, hands numb. It's so good. They're so good. Why? Let me tell you why. Because when you finish with these, let's try with both legs and see. You can bend your knees. When you finish with these, you're gonna feel a beautiful sensation of relaxation and a wave of relaxation through that contraction and all along the arm. Can you feel it? Awesome. Take a big inhale. I'm gonna kind of walk myself a little bit back and then come forward. Good job. Pull your belly, round your spine, reach to your feet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my thing fully. No shoes. Holding your toes. Now let's do this. Push your toes so your hands stretch and your arms stretch and the upper body of your back stretches. Breathe in, breathe out. Beautiful job. Release. All right, my friends. This exercise is going to help you stretch not only your tricep but also twist your body. Okay? So remember, this is also recovery. Elbow, bring it behind the knee. Now you see my spine, rounded. Try bringing chest forward. You're gonna feel stretches all across your back, your waist, and of course your legs, and most importantly, your arm. Stretch the arm if you can and keep pushing your knee back. Awesome. We're gonna do it on the other side. One more time. Hook, elbow to knee, hand to the back, lift your chest. Inhale big. This feels so good, guys. Breathe. Relax. Yeah. Stretch the arm and go for it a little bit more. Pulling inwards. Breathe in. Awesome. Going back to the beginning, going back to the start. That's what we do. We find the most important principles and apply it so we can be active and healthy in body, mind, and spirit. Okay, my friends, let's go down, stretch, and hug your knees. Now push your knees one more time forward so you feel the stretch right in your arms. Nice job. Of course, the typical tricep stretch, you can do it seated or you can do it even on the floor, right? Extend, grab the elbow, and pull. Breathe in, breathe out. Other side. Nice. Beautiful job. We're gonna roll up, stand up, and do a very beautiful stretch all the way up, and then back of the arm, back of the arm, and then you hug yourself because you want to congratulate yourself for finishing half of the challenge. Well done, well done. All right, that's it. So remember, I'm here for you for 21 days to help you understand how exercise works and help you get rid of all those fears so you can show up in the gym and continue your workout. You can also do it with me online. I have a few classes from the past, but I'm ready to help you with your journey. So reach out to me and I'll be here for you. See you in the next one. Bye.